Welcome to Game Changer, a Mazda exclusive live event featuring Metric. I'm Mark Saltzman, syndicated technology and gaming columnist here in Chelsea, New York, and streaming live tonight on Xbox to bring you the first ever look behind the scenes at the all-new 2014 Mazda 3, unveiled right behind me. And literally one floor up, just above us, we've got indie band Metric hitting the stage any moment. But first, let's learn a little bit more about the car, which made its worldwide debut today. For the first time, the Mazda 3 was unveiled in 5 different locations around the globe on the very same day. And that's a fitting introduction. Like its predecessor, the all-new Mazda 3 leads the segment in design, technology, performance, and efficiency. Under the theme Conviction, Creativity, and Courage, the global debut kicked off in Melbourne, Australia, where a live CAD demonstration highlighted the car's styling. It's the newest example of Mazda's design theme called Kodo, Soul of Motion. I had a chance to talk to design chief Derek Jenkins about some of the unique aspects of the car.
There's 3 basic elements to Kodo. First, there's the speed. The speed is about the silhouette of the car. The next key element is tension. And the tension refers to the precision of these lines, how the front fender line pulls through, tapers through the back. And of course, the rear shoulder line really adds a lot of that kind of muscle to the car. Lastly, we use a term called allure. And allure is really about the face of the car, the front end, the mouth, how this key element pulls through the lights and creates a kind of brow over the lamp. And we do the same around the rear with the tail lights. Lastly, the interior on this car is a huge step forward for us. We have a layout we call driver-oriented cockpit, and that means that all the controls and all the interior volumes are focused directly at the driver, so you really feel like you're in a cockpit.
And in St. Petersburg, Russia, French product and interior designer Ido Morabito talked about the interior of the Mazda 3 and how it embodies Kodo design. And London, where the car's SkyActiv technology took center stage, fusing high performance with high mileage. Next up, Istanbul for a special technology reveal, featuring the car's connectivity with AHA infotainment.
Hello, Istanbul.
Now remember, this all happened today. Back here in New York, Mazda rolled out the car this morning, giving the North American press their first look at the all-new Mazda 3. But there you have it, your first ever look at the brand new 2014 Mazda 3. And I think it's time for Metric to hit the stage, so let's join them.